this video, I will show you how to pair the Razer BlackShark V2 to the HyperSpeed on PC, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. The Razer BlackShark V2 HyperSpeed is a headset primarily designed to be used wirelessly, so you'll be able to choose from one of the two menus to connect to any platform. The main focus of the headset is to be used over Bluetooth. However, they also include wireless dongle if you prefer to use that instead for potentially lower latency. So make sure the headset is sufficiently charged. You will be able to charge it by plugging into any suitable USB power. So plug in and once you believe they are sufficiently charged, you will be able to connect in one of the two ways that I mentioned. If you want to use the wireless dongle, all that you have to do plug dongle to any suitable USB port, so you'll be able to plug it in and power on the headset as soon as you put the headset in close proximity with the wireless dongle connected to any USB. So you will be able to use it automatically going to power itself with the dongle alternately. If you prefer to use Bluetooth, you will be able to use matte switch to press and hold the Razer smart switch or the equalizer button. As you can see the highlighted here for a few seconds, and it will be activate pairing mode. Once you see the Razer indicated that is ready to pair up, you will be able to get over the Bluetooth devices to any platform. So this can be mobile device, for example any sort of the console PC. You will be able to find the Razer under the list of available devices. Choose it from the list, and immediately upon doing so, you will be able to listen all the audio being output through any platform on the headset. You will be able to use the microphone as well as it going work flawlessly. Just make sure it is sufficiently charged and CHS one of the two ways to connect wirelessly. You can also use it through a wired connection by simply plugging in the USB cable and use for charging. That's it, you are done.